Hi everybody, thanks for watching Avery Home Decor. This is Vet from Avery Home Decor. And today guys, I'm going to show you how I get this look, which has some incorporated Zgallerie items. You can get this same look at Target. If you don't believe me, just sit back and watch. So guys, take a look at these pillows from Zgallerie. They are beautiful. They were going to be my big ticket item that I wanted to get and splurge on, but I was blessed and I actually got a set for my birthday and for Christmas. So I was able to not have to spend that money. But you notice I mentioned Target in the beginning of the video. At Target, I just so happened to come across the look-alike, or the knockoff as we call it. But let's not get too wrapped up in this style. This isn't the only decorative pillow I found that I thought was just awesome. Take a look at these that you can also get depending on what your taste and your style is for your home. I was pretty shocked. Target stepped up their game. Alright guys, so here is the thing. We are going to take a look at Target's website because, as I mentioned earlier, I found the knockoff to a Zgallerie pillow. Yes, here's the price tag, $99 for a Zgallerie pillow. Never seen a knockoff before. I was looking for some inexpensive pillows to just spruce up my couch with, and I came across these and I was actually going to order them. So guys, they are a little smaller in diameter. The ones from Zgallerie are huge. They're 22 inches, I believe, in diameter. And these from Target are about 18 inches in diameter. Alright guys, so I'm styling this room for the special occasion, my son Avery's birthday, and I decided let's start with the basics. I need some nice pillows, I need a nice throw, and I was so into items at Zgallerie. It was so tempting, but I was able to find this throw at Amazon.com. If you need links to anything, just let me know in the comments and I'll get it to you. So the next thing I decided was to go around and I decorate my chairs. I put accent pillows in them as well. So I'm going to show you some of the cutest accent pillows I found at Target that can go in your chairs and your couch. Alright guys, so if you noticed in my decor, I had a lot of balloons that I was decorating. At first I was going to show you how I decorated my room, but it was for my son Avery's birthday. So yes, my channel is named after my son Avery. What I did to, in case you were curious, to spruce up the room a little for his birthday was to go to Party City. I ordered up a bunch of gold and silver balloons, and I've got 6 of each with helium, and I got some that you just blow up yourself that had gold dots on them. Got the happy birthday banner, and voila. I thought the room was pretty nice for the, I think there was a sale for your first order online at Party City. I believe I got 15% 50% off. So the balloons were roughly around $30 for everything. The banner, the extra balloons, the helium balloons. And the great thing about it was I ordered it online. They called me, told me when they were ready, when I scheduled them, and I came and picked them up and they just put them in my trunk. Didn't have to even get out the car. So if you like these ideas, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Again, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss another episode. Right now we're going to go into our shout out, so stay tuned. I always shout the first 10 top commenters, those that get in there fast because they got that notification, because they hit that bell and left a comment. So those top 10 comments get featured at the end of my video. Happy to do it because I love to show you guys that I appreciate you. So we'll see you on the next one.